see this particular part is corroding, so let's hope that we get the headlamp replaced today. So let's head to the SVC. Let's head to the service center, get our headlamp replaced. As I showed you, it's corroding. I reconfirmed with the SVC guys and they said that we'll have it replaced with a new one. So without any further delay, let's hit the road. Well, I did not expect so much of traffic, but let's see. And another major problem is that I just noticed that I'm low on fuel, but the cluster shows that I can do about 50 kilometers, so I hope I can be back without refueling. There is not much traffic. By the way, I had called up the SVC. They told me that their lunch break is from 1:30 to 2:15. And I guess I'm gonna be there at the same time. So I'll have to wait a bit, get the headlamps replaced, then have a bit of work in Kandivali as well. So we'll have to go there too. ठीक है। आ जाओ।
बैठने को डर लगता है
नहीं आ रहे तो आ जाओ।
डस्ट बहुत है ना, इसलिए खाली रोड तक छोड़ना जरूरी है।
हाँ
चलने को भी तकलीफ होता है।
वो तो है।
आपको तकलीफ नहीं है ना?
अरे आप बैठो। ठीक है।
जाने दीजिए। लाइव में हमने खाली 50 टिकट चलाया।
हाँ हाँ, ये क्या है, ये बड़े स्पीड ब्रेकर में ना नीचे लगता है गाड़ी,
है ना? हाँ।
इसलिए थोड़ा आराम से 2 लोग रहेंगे ना। हाँ, क्या बोल रहे थे?
अपना 50 टिकट ही चलाया मैंने
हाँ हाँ
जमाने में।
हाँ।
उसके सिवा कोई दूसरी गाड़ी नहीं चलाया।
क्या चेतक?
हाँ, 50 टिकट वही चलाया।
गाड़ी में भी दम है बहुत। उस टाइम में 150 सीसी हैंड गियर और क्या चाहिए।
उसके बाद छोड़ दिया। 65 साल उम्र हो गई है, 65।
हाँ हाँ।
उधर याद आता है कैसे चलाया गाड़ी।
हाँ
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। इसमें क्या थैंक यू अंकल। आराम से। ओके, थैंक यू। Well, I also have to show you the new headlamp, right? Well, I'll do that here itself. This place is a bit empty and less traffic as well. Okay, let's stop here. It's time to see the all new headlamp that I got replaced under warranty. So there you go. This is the headlamp. Now and now it's just the DRL that's glowing. Let's turn on the bike and see. So in the older version, this particular part used to glow, and now it's this part that is glowing. And I've heard that the illumination is a bit better on the newer headlamps. And this is the passing high beam. So well, that was it for this new vlog of 2019. No colored, no chipping of paint here or there. So that was all for this quick little video. Hope you guys liked it. And thanks a lot for watching. I'm out of fuel. Let me head back home. And that's all. Thanks a lot for watching. This is your host Fenomenon signing off. Have a great year ahead. I'll be back with some good videos. Have some ride plans. Hopefully this ride plan would be well executed and will happen. Not like the others which never, happen for that matter. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.